Today we are going to see a practical geometry. The topic is construction of the circumcenter of a triangle in page number 177. The practical geometry you should do in a geometry note. Circumcenter. The circumcenter is the point of concurrency of the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. It is usually denoted by S. What is circumcenter means? In a triangle, how many sides you are having? 3 sides. For 3 sides, we should take a perpendicular bisector line. But perpendicular bisector means you know, it will come as the half of that side line segment. So, for 3 sides, we should take a perpendicular bisector and draw the line. The 3 lines is meeting at one point, no, that is circumcenter. That is denoted by S. S is called a circumcenter. Circumcircle. The circle passing through all the 3 vertices of the triangle with circumcenter S, as the center is called a circumcircle. Here see this picture. In a circle you are having that triangle. That triangle 3 vertices is touching on that circle. So this is a circumcircle. This point is called a circumcenter. From the center it is touches this line segment, that is called circumradius. Once again I will repeat, the circle name is circumcircle. The center is called a circumcenter. The radius is from the center, that is center we denoted as S, no. From the center the line segment touches the circle, no, that is called circumradius. Now we see that example problem, that is 4.14. Construct the circumcenter of the triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 cm, angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 80 degree. Also draw the circumcircle and find the circumradius of the triangle ABC. First of all, you should draw the box like this. The given for example problem, that one I am written here. AB is 5 cm, angle A value is 60 degree, angle B is 80 degree. Another side, you write that one, a rough diagram, draw a circle. In that circle, you draw a triangle. The triangle for 3 vertices should touches the circle. Like that you should draw the triangle. Give the name is A, B, C. A, B, C value is 5 cm. Here I am written. Then angle A value is 60 degree. Angle B value is 80 degree. Everything you should write neatly. After that you should draw the fair diagram. For this, first we should draw the triangle. Triangle is a line segment they given us 5 cm. Now for that you should take scale and pencil, draw a line segment 5 cm. Then after drawing the line segment, make a dot starting and ending. Give the name A, B, 5 cm. Then you should take the protractor. Protractor is with A as center. What degree it is? 60 degree. So mark a 60 degree. Place the protractor at A point, adjust like this and mark 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree. After marking this one, take a scale and that point you mark, no, that point and adjust with A. Then draw a line like this. Next you should mark that 80 degree at the point B. So take a protractor. Place the protractor at point B, adjust like this. After adjusting, you mark 80 degree. Then take a scale, adjust that point and B point and draw a line like this. Here see this one, both the line intersect now. Here make a dot and mark C. Now you will get a triangle A, B, C. Then we should draw the perpendicular bisector. Here triangle you are having 3 sides. For 2 sides you draw the perpendicular bisector line. Here first I am drawing that for base. Base is this one. AB is a base now. This one. For that I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector line. Take a compass. Take more than half of this line. See this one. This is more than half. Whatever it is, you can take more than half. Keep the compass needle at point A. Draw the arc above the line and below the line. The same radius what you have taken, don't change it. Keep the compass needle at end of that line. Keep this and cut that arc. After drawn that arc, take a scale, adjust like this. Draw a line like this. This is perpendicular bisector line of AB. For this side it is perpendicular bisector. Then one more perpendicular bisector line we should draw. Any two side. Here is having two side. Now these two side. Any one side you can choose. I am going to choose that BC. See that? Keep the compass needle here. For this side you take more than half. This is more than half of this line segment. Keep the compass needle at B. Then draw the arc like this above the line and below the line. The same radius what you have taken at end of that line. End of that line is here, it is C. So cut this one. Then take a scale, draw the perpendicular line of BC. After drawn this one, here the two lines should intersect. So you should extend this one. Two lines intersecting now. Here make a dot like this. This is S. Mark it as S. That S is called a circumcenter. This is circumcenter. After that, take a compass and keep the compass needle at S. Extend the compass up to this one, any one of the vertex. Here see that one up to A. Next one is C. Next one is B. See that everything you get a same distance. Keep the compass needle at S and draw the circle like this. After drawn the circle, see here the triangle of three vertices is touch on the circle. Here see that A is touch on the circle and B also touch on the circle and C also touch on the circle. This circle is called a circumcircle. Here next we should mark a circumradius. See here, this is S. Take a scale. Adjust with S and A point and make a dotted line like this. Likewise, S and B. After that, S and C. Measure the radius and write it. The radius you are getting is 3.9. This side also 3.9. Then SC also 3.9. Any one side you write this one as 3.9 centimeter. After drawn the sphere diagram, here you should write SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to 3.9 centimeter. This is circumradius. After completing the sphere diagram, then you should write the construction. See a book and write the construction. Exercise 4.6. The first question. The circumcircle is 1 to 4 question. So first question is draw a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 8 centimeter BC is equal to 6 centimeter and angle B is equal to 70 degree, and locate its circumcenter and draw the circumcircle. The first question, like this, you should draw the box and divide that line box, and given as AB is equal to 8 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is 70 degree. Another side you write that rough diagram, draw a circle, inside that you draw the triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. So AB is 8 centimeter, so I am written here 8 centimeter. Then BC is 6 centimeter, angle B 70 degree. Now come to the third diagram. Take a scale, draw a line segment 8 centimeter. So I drawn already 8 centimeter, give the name as AB. Then B is given as 70 degree. First of all, we should draw a triangle. So first here B is 70 degree. Take a protractor and place the protractor at B and adjust like this. Mark as 70 degree. Then take a scale, draw a line. This is 70 degree. Then on that side, here they given us 6 centimeter. With the compass, you should measure a 6 centimeter. Here I measured that 6 centimeter. After measuring 6 centimeter, keep the compass needle at B and cut this one. This is 6 centimeter. Here that arc and line segment intersect now, make a dot and mark C. This is 6 centimeter. Then join AC. Now you will get a triangle. After drawing the triangle, we should draw a perpendicular bisector, a line. Of any 3 sides, you can draw any 2 sides. The first I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector line for AB. Keep the compass needle like this. Take more than half. This is more than half of AB line segment. See here. Then keep the compass needle at A. Draw the arc like this. Above line. Then below the line. Whatever the radius you have taken now, the same radius keep it at B point and cut this one. Then you should draw a perpendicular bisector line like this. This is perpendicular bisector line. After that, you draw a perpendicular bisector line. BC I am going to draw. See here, take more than half. This is more than half of that line BC. Draw the arc above the line, below the line, the same radius. Keep it at C and cut this one. Then take a scale. See that both perpendicular bisector line intersecting now. Here make a dot and mark it as yes, this is circumcenter. Then you should take a compass and keep the compass needle at S. Adjust with any one of the vertices. See here, one vertex I adjust. Then you check whether it is you are getting the same distance of C and B. Then keep the compass needle at S. Once again and repeat. Take the distance of SA. See here I am taken. Then draw the circle. I drawn the circumcircle. That circle touches the three corners of the triangle, that is vertices of the triangle. Then you should draw the circumradius. See here, adjust with S and A. Draw a dotted line like this. Next, SB. Then SC. Then you measure SA, SB and SC. You will get the same distance only. Here you are getting 4.4. That one you write here, 4.4 centimeter. Here you write SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Then you write the construction. For construction you write with the pen, no need to write with the pencil. Only the fair diagram given and rough diagram you draw with pencil. The construction you write with pen. Second, third, fourth is homework. Thank you, students.